Hi everyone, I am Utsav Teterbe, Business Development Manager at Fast Food Systems. Here I am presenting you the new Vizu 700 pass-through economy model. This product is made for easier use, reliability and flexibility to add in your quick service restaurants. The first advancement that we have made in the machine is to bring the controls on top. This safeguards us from failure and making sure that the controls don't get heated up. The second change that we have made is there's no water tank, so this is a manual water fill mechanism. This feature makes the machine more easier to use. We have the controls and the water fill both on the same side of the machine. It helps us to operate the machine on a single side of the wall. This makes the machine more flexible in use in the kitchen operations. The Vizu 700 pass-through economy is a very simple piece of kit and works absolutely in the same way as our previous models. I look forward to hearing from you.